was searching on the bus one day because I really wanted to sort out my teeth, and I just typed in Google best dentist in Leicester, and I just saw Oakdale Dental, had a click, and the website was just so professional and so appealing. I thought, oh, this looks really nice. Okay, what do they do? What do they do? And then I saw Invisalign on one of the pages, and I was like, that looks incredible, because I perform and things, and I don't really want people to see my braces. So I gave a call up, and then here I am today. So the reason why I chose Oakdale Dental is because I came in, had a look around and thought, wow, it looks amazing in here, and spoke to the person at the desk, and they were just so friendly and personable. It felt like they cared about me and how I was actually feeling. Like, people say, how are you? But they were like, how are you? And I was like, oh, I'm great. Thank you for asking. How are you? Yeah, and then I met Josh to have my consultation. And he was also so personable and answered all the questions that I needed answered. It was great. It was great. So I was like, yeah, definitely a place for me in comparison with other places, definitely. I came here to have Invisalign. So I did a lot of sort of research, and there were some fears that I had about it. Some people said that the trays weren't well made, so sometimes they can cut the inside of your mouth, or the attachments that you get put on them, which are little they're like little jagged edges on your teeth, so that the trays can fit in. Apparently they cut your mouth. And then there was also the thought of, if they're invisible, I want them to be invisible. I don't want people to be able to see them. And the thought of a lisp as well, and people maybe making fun of me or whatever. But then as soon as I started getting them, so I'll get my little case. So this is like my little tray, and the minute I got them, they were so well made. They didn't cut my mouth or anything. Josh, my dentist, made sure that all of my attachments were filed down, so they didn't cut my mouth. The lisp at first, you have to get used to it. I don't have a lisp anymore, and I didn't after maybe the first 2 weeks, and it was so subtle. Some people that know me really well would just be like, they wouldn't know what was different, but they'd be like, what's going on? And I'd be like, oh, I have Invisalign. But what was really nice is that I had to tell them that I had Invisalign. They didn't know what was wrong with me. But yeah, you get used to the lisp and it goes away. But yeah, with these, so basically you have the attachments, and then on the sides, they just clip in, so that way they never fall out. They're easy to put in, easy to take out. You put them in for as long as you can, and you can drink water with them and things like that, and you can eat whatever you want. With normal braces, you can't have gum, or you can't certain other things, but with these, as long as you take them out and you make sure you put them back in as soon as possible, you can eat whatever you want as well. So I think these were perfect for me, really. So I've been on my Invisalign now for just under a year, and I'm on my last set. So I'm almost there. I'm so close. And I get whitening included, so I'm going to move on to that soon, which is really cool. And I'm really excited because I've never had whitening done before. I've started on my top teeth already, doing it slowly. That's exciting, and it's really cool that you get it as a bonus. So if anyone's thinking about having braces done, I would definitely advise having Invisalign. It's completely changed everything about my confidence and my smile. Beforehand, yeah, okay, I would still be a bubbly person, but there's always that kind of like voice at the back of my head saying, oh, people are gonna be looking at my teeth and things like that. now sometimes I take pictures and I'm like, oh, teeth look quite good. I took a boomerang the other day on Instagram, and it was really hot, and you could see all of my bottom teeth, and usually I'd be like, no, delete it, all that sort of thing, and I was like, they look really good because they just look so straight, and I'm not even finished yet. So yeah, no, I definitely advise doing it, and especially if you are worried about smiling in front of people and you don't want them to see that you're wearing braces. If you're older, like I am, sometimes it's embarrassing having braces when you're older. But when you have these Invisalign trays, no one can see. So you get beautiful results at the end without anyone noticing you're having it done, really.